So I hear a lot of you guys, or especially me, I've been dealing with this problem in Windows 11. The hotspot and the Wi-Fi is not available, bro. So one way to fix this is you go to the search bar here and search services. Here we go. Under service, you have to find WLAN auto config. So make sure it's automatic. You gotta set the properties, make sure it's automatic, and you have to restart that if your mobile hotspot is not available. So you have to restart it, keep restarting it. And if that doesn't work, go to device manager. Here in device manager, you gotta go to network adapters. So network adapters, I have a Realtek. So in my case, I have a Wi-Fi dongle, which is this, and this is the mobile hotspot. So it's a virtual adapter. So one thing, if you have a yellow warning sign besides this, you gotta go update driver, search automatically for drivers, and if the warning sign isn't gone yet, you gotta go for uninstall device right here. Uninstall whatever error is in here, you gotta uninstall it, and action scan for hardware changes. So if you press this and this is uninstalled, it will automatically install for you. And after that, you gotta go restart this again, then try to open this if it works, and if it not, you gotta go to settings. Under settings, you gotta go to network and advanced network settings. Under here, you gotta press the network reset and restart your computer. Or if that doesn't work, you can use this. So let's see. So this is just a simple command that will give you a network reset. So in order to get this, you have to new text document, doesn't matter what you name on it, open that, copy this, open that, so this is it, paste that, file, save as, save it in your desktop. So I'm gonna name it network restarter dot, make sure it's BAT form, let's save it, so it will automatically appear here, and run as administrator, then restart your computer. And I hope that helps you in solving the unavailable Wi-Fi and hotspot. Or if you don't, you just gotta scroll down if you find something like this. And yeah, thanks for watching.